Hi crypto kings and queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natoshi. I hope everyone have had a fantastic week. We've seen the market being very bullish in the beginning of the week. This was actually something that we did expect. We had some big momentum first, we had a big pullback, but then the market corrected itself, and right now we are above one of the trend lines, as you can see right here. So we're gonna go through the most important levels right now on BTC and on Ethereum. Don't forget, if you want to have a really good platform to trade on, then Bybit right now has a 30k bonus if you are using the link in the description down below the video. This is a leverage trading platform. If you do not know about this yet, what they also have, they have copy trading, and they also have a trading bot that you can be able to use yourself. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification also so you know when I have these daily updates for you, because I give you these updates from Monday to Friday. So every single day I have updates on the currency. Let's drag the Fibonacci here instead. So we're taking it from low to high, and you can see that this is exactly combined with the previous resistance that we did break. So on the lower time frames, we can now see that the market is giving us a pullback. So don't be surprised if BTC is dropping down, as I said, to around 26,685 down to 26,553. It's a little bit differently when you're looking at Bybit combined with TradingView. If you're analyzing on TradingView, make sure you have the correct numbers on Bybit. But looking at a pullback, these are definitely the two levels that is the most important one now for BTC for a potential continuation up, because we can see how the market is trending. After a break of a trend line, we usually see a pullback. We of course need to break the support level that we have right now at 26,875, and this is the level that we are testing at the moment. We also can use this trend line. So before the market is giving us a bounce down or a bounce up, just have in mind that we can still consolidate in between these levels. Usually what happens on the cryptocurrencies is that we see a lot of consolidations after big momentums, right? So this is something that can take some time before the market is giving us the next buy opportunity. Of course, I want to try to buy the market as low as possible for the best price. So that's why I'm going to be cautious if the market breaks above this trend line, and we just might see the market drop down once again, because we've already had two tests right here. We are looking at the 30 minutes, but just have in mind that if the market pulls back up, we can test the trend line only to see a drop down from this level. Let us go in quickly to the Ethereum chart and see what's happening. So we saw the market push back up, retested 1,675 precisely. We have the same thing here. We have a slightly pullback at the moment. So if we also see the market dropping down even more on Ethereum, we have a previous resistance that we can use as help. If the market breaks below the level, gives us a retest below 1,662, this can be the momentum down to 1,640, also 1,630. And this is, of course, where we expect the market to have a reverse up from. And we also have this trend line that can be tested, because sometimes we see some fake outs, market comes inside the fib once again, and the second confirmation will be that the market most likely will continue to higher targets. For the bearish momentum is, of course, if we are only been retesting this 50% Fibonacci level, and we start to see the market giving us big lower lows and lower highs, and that is the bearish scenario, of course. So that's why we're using the higher low levels as targets to see if the market will reverse up from these levels. USDT is almost reaching the 7.75% that I have been talking about. So we see a lot of bearish momentum happening right now on USDT. But of course, if the market on BTC will pull back down a little bit, we'll probably see the market on USDT give us slightly momentums to the upside to reach certain levels that we need to potentially retest. But definitely see the market dropping down 7.68%, 7.80% as potential levels. This is also combined with the trend line, and that we did break not so long ago. So but we're still in a sideways market here. You can see how we did actually break this support that we did have at 7.95%, And so we are bearish when it comes to USDT now, even if we are in a sideways market. So this just aligns good with what's happening on BTC at the moment. Don't forget to also follow me on my Twitter. This is where I give you some daily updates on the currencies. Not so long ago, I give you an update on these levels that I have for BTC. So if you always want to be updated, make sure to follow me on my Twitter for this. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notifications so you know when I am live next time or when I do have my daily updates. Okay, have a fantastic weekend, everyone, and we'll see each other the next week. Toodles!